Oh, I didn't see you there. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are installing our Notre Dame logo in the patio. As you can see, we've got a nice big stencil we got from our t-shirt company to make us a nice stencil. So now we are laying this out. We got it centered, we've got it weighted down, and now I'm just going to trace around this stencil, trace around this open area, pull this off, cut them out, and it's going to be a fun process. Just stay tuned. Just gonna have to do this also.
Hey guys, so right now we're just laying out the logo here. We're gonna mark this out, cut these. We'll take these and transplant them into the space that we cut out with 3-piece screwed over here. So this will accent against this.
All right, next step is, you can see we've got the Villaggio cut out. We've got this cut out, so now it's just a matter of transferring these pieces over to here. Pretty much just putting the puzzle back together again. We're gonna have some fine tuning cuts once it's all said and done. This is good enough to bring them in. So we're bringing these brown ones. And what do they say, go Irish? I don't know what they say, what do the Irish fans say? Something like that, whatever. We're not Irish fans, but we're a fan of this, so we love it.
Okay, so you guys can see we've got our logo laid in here. Some of these cuts were just a little bit too close, and so while they do fit, we need to come through and kind of fine tune these where there's like hardly any gaps so we can get the sand in when it's time to do that step. So we'll get that fine tuned and rock and roll. Okay, so. Alright guys, so as you can see, our logo's pretty much done. We made a few more small cuts like these, just to fill in some gaps that we're missing. So that'll make it look real good. I think it's probably send it next week, and that'll wrap this up. Feel free to like, comment, or subscribe. You can follow us for more videos.